guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what we're going to do this week is we're going to be decorating my entryway, and I'm going to be doing this table right here that we needed something for the entryway. And so many of you that have been with us for a while will probably remember I told my husband what I wanted and he built this table for me, and I'll show it up close in a little bit later, and I love it. Okay, now don't pay attention to the gallery wall because there's some changes going on there. We used to have our wedding pictures here, and I picked this up at Lowe's probably a month and a half ago because I've been planning on doing something to this to kind of update it. So I'm slowly changing out the frames, and then I have to find something right in here, and I want to get a different R. I don't want to paint that one because I love how it looks. So I'm going to try to find one that matches this, but I am going to paint this over here, which you can't see, and I'm going to get a new cloth because Mom bought that for us. Well, she bought it for me for Christmas several years ago from Walmart, and it's starting to not keep accurate time, and we've tried to work on it. So I think I'm just going to replace that. But first, I'd like to say that our thoughts and prayers are with everyone that went through that horrible Hurricane Ida. It was just a vicious storm. So we're definitely keeping you in our thoughts and our prayers. And I know all of you will do the same, okay? So let's go ahead and start decorating for fall 2021 here in my entryway, okay? Now, the first thing, I've already put this garland here. This came from Big Lots. There, I think you can see a little bit better. Okay, that garland came from Big Lots. And then these, I made these. These are just little candle sticks. And I put them together and painted them. And I love them. I keep them here all the time. And so I'm going to leave those. So we're going to decorate the top shelf and then the bottom, okay? Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, this is a DIY that I made a couple years ago. And it's all Dollar Tree. This was a Dollar Tree calendar. I Mod Podged it onto those Dollar Tree little frames, and then I put Dollar Tree rulers around the edge, and I love it. So simple, but it looks so high end. So I'm going to hang it right here in our entryway. I think that looks so cute and very festive, okay? Now, the next thing I want to do, okay, I have another one of my DIYs. I made that this year. Love it. So easy. And I'll link everything in the description box below if you want to watch these videos. But is this not adorable? And I'm so into the buffalo check this year. And I want this to be our little pumpkin patch, okay? So now, I just took these picks. I used 2 of them. They came from Walmart this year, and I just took a Dollar Tree foam, and I just started sticking it on there like I wanted it. And I'm just going to set this right in here, like that. I just think it ties in that buffalo check quite nicely. And then this is the taller one. And I'm just going to set it right there. And I think that is gorgeous, okay? Now, I picked this up at Walmart this year. I love the little buffalo check ribbon with that little greenery, and it says welcome home. So Farmhouse, so adorable. And I'm just going to put that right there. And to me, that is perfect, okay? So now we're going to go to the bottom shelf. Okay, now for the bottom shelf, I'm going to take this little pumpkin. I picked it up at Target's Dollar Spot a couple years ago for $5. And then with my Cricut, I added this thankful and put these little thumbtack heads right on there. And I think it's so high-end looking, okay? So I'm just going to put it right here, like that, I think. And then I picked this pumpkin up this year at Walmart. I think it looks so realistic. It was like $6, I believe. Okay, you may be hearing some rain because we're getting those outer bands. I'm filming this on Monday, and we're getting the outer bands of Ida, and we've had some tornadoes, so it's been kind of bumpy, but we're very blessed. Okay, now I'm going to take this. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance and it didn't have a little stem, but that doesn't bother me at all. I'm going to set it right here. And then I'm going to take this Dollar Tree pumpkin, and I think just kind of set it like that, I think, okay? Now, I have this. I picked this up at Michael's this year, and it was like 70% off. I couldn't understand why, but it was in the spring section. I thought it looked very fall. So I'm going to set it right down here. Then I'm going to take this little topiary I made several years ago, probably about 3 by now. And I use the little bucket that I normally set it in, but I think that's adorable. If you would see this out, you'd pay so much money for it. And I'm just going to set it right down in here. I need to get another little bucket, but I think this will be perfect. Now, I don't have any lights because I'm still looking for the ones from Walmart. So let's take a closer look. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far, and I love it. I really do. Let's start over here. I think these just look so sweet. And if you're looking for it, it's called Mums and Pumpkins Pick. I think that's what it was called. But it's got all these beautiful little berries, those buffalo check pumpkins, those mums, and it even has a white pumpkin back. And I love those fall leaves, okay? And then, like I said, they're on my candle holders that I made. They're so easy to make. And like I said, I'll link everything in the description box. And then here is this one. I just love it. I think it ties in very nicely to our family sign. And then if you come right here, I love that garland. I am going to try my best to find some more lights. And then here's that little house from Walmart. Is that not precious? And then you come over here, and this lets you know you are in our pumpkin patch with my other DIY. I love these. They are so easy to make, and you can customize them any way you want. And a lot of you have sent me pictures, and you have done wonderful jobs, okay? Then down here at the bottom, this is how we're looking. Just a little couple pumpkins down there. I might try to find something there in the center, but I really didn't have anything right now. So if I can find something, I'll put it there. And then there is that little DIY I made. I just love how this turned out. It looks so festive when you walk in the door. And then when I get all of this switched out, it's going to be better. But like I said, ignore this because some of these are too close because I tried to put them where the others were and they're just not quite spacing out right. I'm gonna have to readjust. And then when I change this other stuff out, I think it's really going to pop. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. She says it is really raining outside. Say, I have to make my bathroom breaks very carefully. She doesn't like rain. Here, baby. Say hi, say hello, say I love you. Say I hope you have a good day. She really does not like the rain, but she did pretty well. This morning we woke up, I don't know, probably 7:30, 8 o'clock to a tornado warning. So we grabbed her, I called Mom, and say we went into the bathroom, didn't we? Did we go to the bathroom? Yes, we did. And say we stayed in there till it was over. And say then we went back a seepy, didn't we? Yes, we did. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for a Dollar Tree haul and a planner video. And then after that, we'll have one more decorate with me. and then we're going to start our DIYs, and then I'll throw in a home tour in between that. So until next time, bye guys. Say bye-bye.